So guys, question. Where have we been?
Where have we been?
Yeah.
Prison. In the Bat Cave.
My house, his house.
The fire marshal prison.
Where have we been? Where have we been?
Welcome back.
Good morning, guys. Wow, I look wretched. Maybe I shouldn't show my face. We're back. So we took a little intermission. Is what we did. That's it. Yep, little intermission. I want to introduce someone to you guys to the Supreme Runs vlog. Come here and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Percy. New sales guy. Over here at Supreme now. You know how we do it.
How do you like it so far?
It's good. The environment's nice. You guys are really cool.
I feel like you have to say that.
Terrible.
But we're working here and
Luisito.
What?
Yep, nothing has changed there. Mark.
This is the intro.
Yes.
For the
Nothing has changed there. Fabian.
Show us your eyes.
Good morning, camera.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. This thing's white. It's going to satin black. It looks better, I guess.
You think it looks better satin black?
I guess so. White's kind of basic on these. I think everybody drives a white one.
And there's Luisito. Luisito.
He's in his headphones.
Luisito.
He's watching Dragon Ball Z.
Hey, hi, welcome back.
He's 35,000 years old and he's watching Dragon Ball Z.
too spicy?
No.
Welcome back.
It's never too spicy for Ed.
We're all just so happy to be back.
I mean,
We're having family lunch.
he's built different, you know?
Really spicy tacos.
Katie.
Thanks for doing
Shooting fire.
Hey, come talk to the YouTubes.
Hello, friends. We're out here in full force.
Yeah.
And we're finally back.
So how are sales going? How's all of that? Like, how is the shop running right now?
It's good. I don't know. We have some good customers. We're doing a lot of work. It's been raining a lot, so
Yeah.
it's kind of hard for people to come in and really do more with their cars, but we're making it work, selling a lot.
And how are you getting like settled in your new job?
I like it. It's fun here. You know, I have a good time talking to people. I don't know. I like showing them cars. Like before, it was empty, so I couldn't do too much. So now
Yeah.
it's like I can walk around, show people stuff, and people like what we do. So
You're doing a great job.
thanks. You're the best.
This is a recreation of Ed. How do y'all drink this? Let me finish it real quick. Oh wow.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here?
We're trying to fix Fabian's problems.
Little surgery.
We've only been at this for 4 hours.
4.5, maybe.
Wow. Did you guys
Check
tape
it
the
out.
phone with the flashlight on?
Yeah.
Look, check it out. Check
We
it
even
out.
got fishing wire so it doesn't fall again.
I don't know what I'm gonna say.
Welcome back. You should just start with like, welcome back. If you
Welcome back! So I just wanted to let you know, we're back. We're back! Thank you guys for being patient with us. We went through some renovations in our shop, so we stopped the vlogs in the meantime, but
Welcome back.
we're back.
Welcome back.
And we're finally back.
Welcome back.
Yes, we are back. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video because we're back. Go watch all of our other videos.
We're back in full force.
We're back in full force. And better. So,
I'm zooming in straight on your face. Smile. Show us how happy you really are.